Training is the process of improving an employee's knowledge, skills, abilities, and attitude to perform their current job better. Development focuses on preparing employees for future responsibilities and leadership roles. A simple way to remember: training equals perform better today, development equals prepare for tomorrow. There are two major methods of training. Number 1, on-the-job training. Number 2, off-the-job training. Let's go through on-the-job training. Employees learn while actually performing their job at the workplace. A senior employee, supervisor, or trainer guides them. Example: a newly recruited employee in a bank learns how to open a customer account by working alongside an experienced bank employee. On-the-job methods. Number 1, coaching. A senior employee personally guides and corrects a junior employee. Example: a sales manager observes a new salesperson talking to customers and gives suggestions for improving communication. Number 2, mentoring. An experienced person provides continuous guidance for an employee's career and professional growth. Example: a senior manager guides a junior employee on leadership, career planning, and decision-making. Number 3, job rotation. Employees are moved between different jobs or departments to gain broader experience. Example: an HR employee works in recruitment, he moved to payroll, and after that, he moved to training, and later he moved to employee relations. Benefit: employees understand how different departments work together. Number 4, apprenticeship training. The trainee learns a skilled profession through practical work under an experienced expert. Example: an automobile technician learns vehicle servicing by working with an experienced mechanic. Number 5, internship. Students or beginners work in an organization to gain practical experience. Example: an MBA student joins a company for 2 months and works on recruitment and employee engagement. Number 6, job instruction training. The trainer teaches the employee step by step. Step 1, explain. Step 2, demonstrate. Step 3, practice. And final step, which is step 4, feedback. Example: a factory supervisor demonstrates how to safely operate a machine, then allows the worker to practice under supervision. Next one, job enlargement. Job enlargement means adding more tasks of the same level to an employee's existing job. Example: a receptionist normally handles phone calls. If the company also asks the receptionist to welcome visitors, manage appointments, and maintain visitor records, the job has been enlarged. Key point to remember is, more tasks plus same level of responsibility equals job enlargement. This reduces boredom and monotony, provides employees with wider work experience, improves job variety. And finally, job enrichment, which is vertical expansion. Job enrichment means adding more responsibility, authority, decision-making, and control to an employee's existing job. Example: a sales executive normally only contacts customers. If the employee is also given authority to handle customer complaints, negotiate discounts, make sales decisions, and monitor sales targets, the job is enriched. Key point to remember is, more responsibility plus more authority equals job enrichment. Advantages of on-the-job training are practical and hands-on, less expensive. Training happens in the real work environment. Immediate feedback. Employees learn actual job requirements. Disadvantages are mistakes can affect actual work. Production may be disturbed. Poor trainers may teach incorrect methods. Now let's go through off-the-job training. Employees are trained away from their normal workplace or regular job duties. The focus is usually on learning concepts, developing skills, and improving behavior without the pressure of actual work. Off-the-job methods are: Number 1, classroom training. Employees attend lectures, discussions, presentations, and activities. Example: a company conducts a 2-day classroom program on leadership skills for new managers. Number 2, case study. Employees analyze a real or imaginary business problem and suggest solutions. Example: employees receive a case about a company losing customers and discuss how to improve customer satisfaction. Number 3, role-playing. Employees act out real workplace situations. Example: one employee acts as an angry customer and another acts as the customer service executive. This improves communication, negotiation, and conflict management skills. Number 4, simulation. A realistic work situation is recreated in a safe training environment. Example: pilots use flight simulators before operating an actual aircraft. Number 5, management games. Employees participate in business games where they make decisions about pricing, marketing, finance, production, etc. Example: teams compete to manage a virtual company and achieve the highest profit. Number 6. Workshops and seminars. Experts provide knowledge through presentations, discussions, group activities, and Q&A sessions. Example: a company organizes a workshop on artificial intelligence in business. Number 7. E-learning. Employees learn through online videos, courses, quizzes, and digital platforms. Example: an employee completes an online course on Excel, Python, cybersecurity, or communication skills. Advantages are: employees can focus completely on learning, experts can provide specialized knowledge, safe environment for practice, useful for developing managerial and behavioral skills. Disadvantages are: can be expensive, employees are away from their regular work, learning may not always directly match real workplace situations. Now, let's quickly compare on-the-job training and off-the-job training. Imagine that a new employee joins a company. If I say, "Come with me, sit beside an experienced employee, and learn while doing the actual job," that is on-the-job training. But if I say, "Leave your regular work for 2 days and attend a classroom, workshop, seminar, or simulation," that is off-the-job training. So, the easiest difference is, on-the-job equals learn by doing. Off-the-job equals learn by studying and practicing outside the regular job. In on-the-job training, we have methods such as coaching, mentoring, job rotation, apprenticeship, internship, job instruction training, job enlargement, and job enrichment. For example, if an employee works with a senior manager and receives guidance, that's coaching. If the employee moves from HR to recruitment to training to payroll, that's job rotation. If we give the employee more tasks at the same level, that's job enlargement. And if we give the employee more responsibility and decision-making authority, that's job enrichment. On the other hand, in off-the-job training, we have methods such as classroom training, case studies, role-playing, simulations, management games, workshops, seminars, and e-learning. For example, if employees act out a difficult customer situation, that's role-playing. If they analyze a business problem and find a solution, that's a case study. And if they practice in a realistic but artificial environment, that's a simulation. So, remember, this simple formula: on the job is a real workplace learning by doing. Off the job is a training environment where you learn, practice, and discuss. Both methods are important. On-the-job training gives practical experience, while off-the-job training provides structured learning and a safe environment to develop new skills. That's all for this course. Thank you so much for joining this learning journey.